I'm here with Joe Maes of Sparnex. Joe, you gave a presentation here. One of the things you talked about was access versus the home network. What did you mean by that?
The access network is the part from the operator, the service operator, to the box that is in the home and terminates that network. That's the access network. That's a propriety of the service operator. But in the home, which is a private network of electricity cables, there you will not have a higher speed, but you distribute your internet. So that is what we mean with the access network versus a distributed network.
Yeah, because people often forget about the electricity cables, don't they?
Yes. Well, it is something to think about, because in the 90s we were discussing fiber against copper. At that time we decided to go for copper. But most of the market, 90% of the market, invested hugely, a lot of money in fiber networks. Today we have somehow something similar. We have electricity in the home. There are more electricity in the homes than there is telephone wires. So if you can use that electricity network to distribute the internet at whatever speed, then you have a solution. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to ask your wife to drive a hole just to have fiber in your home. So you can use the electricity network and exploit that, and you use what we call power line communication devices, connect that to the DSL box that comes in, and you can distribute it. And then from there, in the room, you have a wireless coverage, because wireless is still the thing. But you want to bring it up to that place where you have an electricity network and no disturbers and no other problems as you have with wireless devices.
And that will all help when we come to things like, again, that you talked about, the Internet of Anything.
Yes, but Internet of Things is more related to what happens in the home. All the stuff that is our very creative entrepreneurs are inviting other people to join their process, to join the development. The point is that Internet of Anything is about services like smart cities, the way how you distribute energy. And there is money in there, because you can save money by doing it in a better way. And that is what we call Internet of Anything. It's not only about that, what happens in the household and the home appliance market that adapt and add connectivity to its network. It's about everything. And it will be an enormous change in the next 10, 15 years. Industries, it will affect any industry. It's not about the industry of home appliance, no, it's any industry. We have to think about, how do I connect to the Internet of Anything, or the Internet of Things.
I think you were saying it's going to be a massive market, something like $300 billion?
We have never seen such a promising market, and we should be very optimistic about it. There is only one major problem. There is a lack of resources. There are not that many people who understand what physical layer. We are physical layer experts. We are simulating the problems in the home. We are simulating the electricity net to see what is the maximum performance. You can say my box is doing 500 megabit per second. Yeah, but is that true? We will test it. We will simulate the environment in a box, and then we will rank products and say this is a good product under these circumstances. And I will test another product under the same circumstances, so I can compare my performance, which is very good for consumers. They know, I have 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, but it's not a Volkswagen story. It's a story about something that has been tested according a certain model. And that's our job.
It's going to be very interesting times ahead. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.